what is the actual purpose of having a goal, having a dream, and just not moving towards it? I realized this week, and I spoke to numerous individuals, and I started asking them about their dreams, about their goals, and what they want to achieve in life. And everybody's got a long list. Firstly, some individuals actually answers, and they will say that this is what they do not want out of life. And guess what happens? The things that they don't want out of life is actually the things that appear. Because remember, the things you focus on is the things that tend to come true. Where the focus goes, where the focus goes, the energy flows. Now, the other side of the individuals that I spoke with, they've got a goal, they've got a dream, and they know what they want, and they talk about what they do want, not what they do not want. And guess what happens? They actually end up not getting it. And then when I start asking a little bit more questions and some deeper questions, I realize that yes, they've got these goals and dreams, they just take no action. They have no clue as to what they need to do on a daily basis in order to make their dream or goal a reality. And besides that, you will never know how. You just got to keep on doing it. Take action with what you have right now. So that's what I want to leave you with today. Just take action with what you have. And if you don't know where to start, you want to start an online business, just drop me a word ready in the comments.